Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we'll continue to function point. Okay, so see here the one example. So write a program to perform the addition of two number. Use the return statement. Okay, see here def, then this is my addition function name. There are two parameter, number 1, number 2. Okay, then here return number 1 plus number 2. Okay, see here my result is equal to addition 5, 6. Okay, and here print the result. So my result is the 11. Okay, so next program is that to find out the word dog in the string. Okay, so see here def, my function name is that the dog check. Okay, so this is my string. Then if dog in my string, okay, then return true, else return false. Okay, so run this code, then call here dog check, pass here the one string. So my string is that my dog run away. Okay, see here true, because dog word is available in this string. Okay, same here dog check, again my cat run away. Okay, see here false. Okay, so this is the only searching the dog is available or not. Okay, so if see here dog check, if my D is the capital, dog ran away, see here false, because here dog is a hard coded string. So same here, so same dog is in the small case, so all the letter is in the small case, then it return true. Okay, but if you want to any case to run, then see here convert this function to lower. So here lower. Okay, then first run this function, then run this calling, then it return true. Okay, so next program is that the pig Latin. Okay, so this is the pig Latin. So first we will see that what is the pig Latin. See here, this is the some rules of a pig Latin word. So if word start with a vowel, then add ay to the end. If word does not start with a vowel means that the a-e-i-o-u. Okay, then put the first letter at the end, then add ay. So first example is that the word. So first letter is not a vowel. So what is the condition? Put first letter at the end, means that the W is going to the end of the word, means that the O-R-D-W. Then it can append ay. See here ay. Again apple, the word start with vowel, then simply add ay at the ending. See here apple ay. Okay, so this is your question. So by using function we perform this task. See here my function name is that the pig Latin. Okay, see here this is my word. Then first we retrieve the first letter of this word. See here word of 0. Okay, so 0th index means that the first letter of the word is in the first variable. See here check the first in, a-e-i-o-u means it is vowel. If it is, then pig word is equal to, okay, see here what is the pig word? Your word plus append ay. Okay, else if it is not vowel, then see here, pig word is equal to the word from first. So we leave the first character. So from second to end of the list, means that the position wise 1 to end, means that the 1 colon. Okay, then your first letter, then your appended string AY. Okay, here return this pig word. See here, after running this code, pig word, first pass the word. See my output. So this is an error because my function name is that the pig Latin. Okay, so word here, this is the syntax error, word. Again compile this code, again run. So see here my output is that ORDWAY. Okay, again pig Latin, second string is that the apple. See here, apple AY. Okay, so next program is that define a function called isEven that take the one parameter and return true if the parameter value is the even, otherwise it return false. Okay, see here, def, then my function name is that the isEven, this is my parameter. Okay, see here, if number is divisible by 2, if it is, then return true, otherwise return false. Okay, see here, call this function. So my value equal to, or my answer is equal to isEven. Okay, pass the number 4 and here print my answer. My answer is the true because 4 is even number. Same 5, run here, false, 5 is odd number. Okay, so same here, next program is that the maximum of 2 number, means that define a function called isGreater that take the 2 arguments and return true if the first value is greater than second, false otherwise. See here, def, my function name is that isGreater. Okay, then there are 2 parameters A and B. If A is greater than B, then return true, otherwise return false. Okay, so call this function, answer is equal to is greater, pass here the 5 and 6. So after running this code, my answer is that false because 5 is greater than 6, false. Same here, 15 and 6, run, again run, answer variable true. Okay, so student, try this on your machine. So if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe this channel. See you on next video. Thank you.